Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be taking a quick look / unboxing of the Smith & Wesson SD9. Now these guns have been on the market for years. I remember seeing these guns about 8 to 10 years ago. So when you purchase the gun, what you're going to get inside the box is a lock as well as the paperwork. And it does come in a standard cardboard box like so. Now this gun retails for $389. You can obviously find it cheaper depending on where you look. Inside the box you also get two 16-round magazines as well as the gun itself. And here's the star of the show, the SD9. And by the way, before I continue, let me just show you that the gun is unloaded. There's no ammo in the gun or in either of my 16-round magazines. So let's go ahead and talk about the specs of the gun. Again, the SD9 is a 9mm polymer handgun. The barrel and the slide are both steel. This is the black color. They do have a grayish color and also brown. The sights on this gun are fiber optic, and this is awesome and probably one of the best features of this gun. This fiber optic front sight actually glows in the dark, so you can see in low light conditions. As you can see, I still have oil on here. I literally just took this gun out of the box. I haven't even had a chance to shoot it yet at the range. This gun has no kind of thumb safety externally, but it does have internal built-in safeties. This is a striker fire gun. The grip texture down here is really aggressive, and that's one of the features that I really like as well. And as I mentioned, the entire rest of the frame is all going to be polymer. You got one of these skeletonized type triggers, and it's in two different parts. Now I've heard a lot of people have trouble with these types of triggers. That has yet to be determined by me, so I need to go and shoot it and find out. As I mentioned, barrel and slide are both stainless steel. The barrel length on this gun is 4 inches, and the weight is 22.3 ounces. As I mentioned, the grip is really solid and is really aggressive. It makes it very easy to hold on to the gun and get a nice solid grip on it. Let's see what the trigger does. We'll go ahead and pull the trigger. Just listen to it for a second. One more time, pull the trigger. Listen to it reset. Okay, so not bad on that. Again, the sights are really awesome on this gun, and that's one thing that I really like. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. The Smith & Wesson SD9, as I said earlier, it retails for $389 on the Smith & Wesson website right now. I appreciate you guys joining me. Stay tuned for the full review of this gun coming soon. I'm Tactical Black Guy, and I'm out. Peace.